Hey guys, do you want to know how much you get paid for 10,000 views on YouTube? If yes, then you are at the right video. So for us small YouTubers, 10k views is a lot of views. And many of you might wonder how much you can earn from that. Well, if you search on Google, you'll find all sorts of answers. Some say you might earn 40 cents per thousand views and some say you might earn $1 per thousand views. Well, both are right in a sense. There are two factors that affect your revenue. First is the niche. If you have a gaming channel and you get 1,000 views, you will earn less than someone with a finance channel with the same amount of views. Here is the list of niches with the highest earning on the top and lowest at the bottom. As you can see, the highest earning niche is making money online, then comes the digital marketing, then comes personal finance, educational, tech, lifestyle, fashion, cooking, fitness, and at the end comes the video games niche. Now after that comes the country from which your majority of audience is watching from. Here is the list of countries with the highest CPM. As you can see, if your viewers are watching from Norway, then your CPM rate would be $43. Similarly, if they are watching from Germany, their CPM rate would be 38. If United States, then it will be 13 USD. So these are the highest YouTube CPM rates from the countries, and there are low YouTube CPM rates countries too. So I'll show the list of them too, so you can see. Now you might be asking what CPM really is. CPM, I'll tell you guys in short. CPM is a metric that represents how much money advertisers are spending to show ads on YouTube, and RPM is the total revenue after YouTube's revenue share per thousand views. So after YouTube cuts their part of the share, the money they'll give you per thousand views is called RPM. So you must focus on RPM rather than CPM. The greater your RPM will be, the higher your earnings will be. High paying niches have high RPM that results in high revenue. Now let's get into how much I made from the 13,000 views that I got on this video. As you can see, if I click on the audience, the majority of views I got was from India, with 2.2% watching from India and 2% from United States. So as you can see, the majority of views are from India, and the CPM rate of India is 0.70 cents. So it isn't that great. If I had gotten these views from Norway or other Germany, then my CPM, my earnings would have been more. Now I must say that the revenue I earned from 13,000 views might be different from your revenue which you earned from 13,000 views too. It all depends on niche, the country from which your audience is from watching, and what type of and the length of the video too. Because if your video is less than 8 minutes, then you can only the only default ads will be on the start of the video and at the end of the video. But if you made a video above 8 minutes, then you can add mid-roll ads too, which can result in greater earnings too. So the video I am making this video on, the video that got 13,000 views, was less than 8 minutes long. So there was no mid-roll ads. So if there had been mid-roll ads, the earnings would have been greater than that. So let's get to the revenue part. Now if you click on revenue, as you can see, the RPM of this video is 1.91, which isn't great RPM. The decent RPM for YouTubers are $4 or $3 above. So $4, if you're getting an RPM of $4, then it is a decent RPM, but below 4, below 2 is not that great. This is because the majority of my views was from India. As I told you, the CPM rate of India is 0.70 cents. So as you can see, the RPM on this video is 1.91. So every 1,000 views I get from this video, I will get $1.91 on it. And as you can see, the CPM for this video is $6. So the advertisers are paying YouTube $6, and in return, after cutting their part of the deal, after YouTube taking their share, will give me the RPM of $1.19, as you can see. So the revenue, let's get to the revenue, how much I earned from this video. Now if you see, I earned about $25 from this video. Now $25, if there had been like my RPM would have been like 5, then the earnings would have been, as you can see, I got 5 if my RPM was 5, and then if I had 13.2k views, then my earnings would have been $66 instead of $25. Now I'm not saying that $25 is not good. It's of course it's good for only 13,000 views, but I'm showing you that RPM matters the most. If your RPM is greater, the more you will earn. If your RPM is lesser, the less you will earn. So it all depends upon the RPM at the end of the day. If you want to increase your RPMs, there are many tricks that you can do to increase your RPM, and you can make to increase your earning. If your RPM isn't that great, you can increase the length of your video so that you can place mid-roll ads, and then you can place as many ads that you want, and then you can earn the double of your earnings right here. Like if I had if this video of mine was 8 minutes long, then I could have earned like $50 or $60. I could have doubled my earning from there, but this video was less than 8 minutes. That's why I earned about $25. So if you I would suggest you guys that if you're making a video like 6 to 7 minutes long, then try to make it 8 minutes long, so you can add you can place mid-roll ads, so you can earn more. So as you can see, my earnings was $25 from this video, and it's still getting views. And if the majority of the audience shifted to United States, Norway, Germany, then my earnings would increase too. So I just wanted to show you guys this video. Now I'm not saying that if you get the same amount of views you will earn the same amount of money. This the niche I was posting this video on wasn't that great. It was below video games niche, so this wasn't really great. If you were making a finance video, if this was a finance video and I got 13,000 views, I would have made triple amount of money on this video. So it all depends upon the niche at the end of the day. If you want more videos like this on how much I earned from this whole channel, and how much I earned in the month, how much you can earn from a crypto channel. I have a crypto channel too, so I can show you guys how much I earn, so you get the idea of a crypto channel, a small crypto channel, if you're starting out. So if you want more videos like this, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think and what your RPM and what your earnings have been. I'll see you guys in another video. Till then,
peace out.